Millions of children across the world fight the hardships of extreme poverty that most Americans do not experience. That's why one nonprofit organization is visiting Lancaster County to teach the public compassion.
700 million people in developing countries live on less than $2 a day, facing challenges most Americans never will. Compassion International, a humanitarian organization that helps children across the globe in poverty, brought their mobile compassion experience to Lancaster to show visitors what it's like to live in poor conditions.
All right, so just hold this till it's time to go in.
The compassion experience is necessary because there's a lot of people who are never going to travel overseas. I think this is probably the closest experience you could get to actually going to a third world, to a developing nation, and to be able to see what it's like for a child, what it's like to be in poverty.
One of the things she actually said is it doesn't just bring trash. I don't know if you heard what she said, but actually brings sewage into their house.
This event is being hosted by Lancaster Bible College until Monday. The Compassion Experience is a self-guided tour that immerses visitors into the lives of children the organization sponsors in other countries.
Let's go to the next room.
Through their own voices, they explain their hardships of everyday life to visitors.
Wow. The whole home would flood up to the top of the home.
Abby Dougherty brought her children through the tour because she knows how humbling of an experience this could be for them.
Yeah, I think it's really important because it's so easy to get involved in our daily lives and forget that these lives are being lived in other countries every day, and they don't have the daily resources that we have, you know, food, water, clothing. Like my kids noticed that, in some of the pictures, the kids didn't have shoes on their feet and their feet were worn.
At the end of the tour, you have the option to sponsor a child through Compassion International. For $38 a month, it will provide them food, shelter, and health care. Abby is a sponsor of a girl in Africa in honor of her child that passed away.
There are kids dying in other countries because they don't have good health care, they don't have food, they don't have, good housing situations. So I think it's just important to recognize that, this is not just some far off thing. This is happening right now.
Reporting in Lancaster, Brendan Leslie, News 11.
Organizers say a sponsorship is more than just paying money. Each month you write letters to the child and develop a relationship with them. If you wish to sponsor someone, you can visit Compassion International's website, compassion.com.